Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechUp YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you do you want to download Roblox Studio on your iPhone. Here I will show you an easy step to get into your Roblox Studio on your iPhone home screens. Let's get started to make shortcuts of Roblox Studio. Before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. First of all, open the Safari browsers on your iPhone and type the Roblox Studio. Now please make sure tap on the first link of Roblox Studio. In this Roblox Studio, now please make sure log in your Roblox account, and now please make sure create a shortcuts. Now this question is how to create shortcuts for the home screen. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom of middle. Now scroll down and find out the add to home screen options. Now the rename of these applications. After tap on the right hand side add. The Roblox Studio will be added to on your iPhone home screens. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.